Hello to all school teachers and pupils, it's Captain Smith. I would like to let you know all about our award-winning Titanic outreach program available for schools. Your presenter, Captain Sean, will visit you in full White Star Line uniform, where he will offer the children a fun-filled active learning experience. Children will experience a voyage of discovery with our unique Titanic outreach program. Our unique outreach program brings the story of the Titanic to life into the classroom. With the outreach program, children will be able to get creative with various activities. Each child has fun with our active learning games, including our popular deck quotes, port and starboard games. A fantastic experience for all children to further their knowledge on the Titanic. Each child enjoys the interactive experience in which they too become involved by dressing up and reenacting different parts of the Titanic story. Artifact handling gives each child the opportunity to hold some of the most iconic Titanic artifacts available in the world. Storytelling of real stories from survivors, which were told to the presenter during various meetings with survivors. Book this incredible voyage of discovery for your class today. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.